Right, I've already done videos on this machine, the Ford F361 or FW-361 Plus hot plate, and we recently just did a review unboxing on the one from Nasan, and it occurred to me, why don't I just go ahead and test this one and see how long it takes for it to reach 100 degrees Celsius, and then also how accurate it is. See if it runs tandem with the thermometer. The one from Nasan, actually within a few seconds after it signaled 100, it signaled 100 on the thermometer as well, so it wasn't too bad. But it's good that you test them and see how accurate they are. Now this one has 3 channels, so you can preset it and have 3 different temperatures for 3 different settings, and just on the fly you press it and it takes you to that temperature. But in this case we're going to flip the button in the back and we're going to set it for 100, and let's enter that, and we're going to go ahead and start our timer and see how long it takes to get to 100. Push this a little bit back so we can show that there. But I've had this guy for about 2 years, give or take. I don't know if it's a little bit more than that or a little less than that. I've used it quite a bit, and I did have one issue with the pumps inside, and I did a video on it. I'll show that video up here, where the pumps were just making too much noise, and it was an easy adjustment. I actually spoke to the Ford company and they showed me how to do it, so I'll put that video up there so you guys can check it out. If yours is having like a screaming sound and lots of noise, you'll see why it does that, and then you'll see the video on how you can take care of that. So right now we are at, let's see, 48 on the device, and the actual temperature was a little higher than that. And I did put the actual tip right in the center on not only this machine but on the one previous. And how it is getting like to that temperature really fast, and I'm really impressed. You're at about 1 minute and 35 seconds and you're at 60 degrees already. That's pretty impressive. Now the one from Nasan, if you remember the video when I did on that one, it took 3 minutes and 50 seconds, if I'm not mistaken, to get to 100. So this will give you a gauge, as you know, as far as speed, and see which one is faster, you know, between the two. And what you're seeing now is that the device is at 87.7, and over here you can see a little bit of a discrepancy there. I mean, it's about 6 degrees difference, and it looks like it's gonna take a little longer than Nasan. Let's see where we're at. See, it hasn't reached 100 yet, and it's already over 4 minutes. So Nasan was a faster one out of the two. Look at that. And my tip just came loose right there, so I don't want to touch it with my bare hand. So I'm going to push down on it and see where we're at. There, just hit 100 there. And about to hit 100 there too. There we are. But it took 4 minutes and 50 seconds to get to 100. So there's your test on this FW-361. It takes it almost 5 minutes, almost 1 minute more than it takes Nasan to heat up their hot plate. So if you're in the market for one, now this one does have some features that I like that Nasan doesn't have. For example, the presets, and Nasan allows us to go around 360. This one doesn't. But as far as the suction, this one might have a little bit of a stronger suction. It just takes longer to heat by 1 minute. If you're pressed for time, then you might want to use the other one. Now, if you're heating up an iPad on the Nasan model, since it is a larger area that needs to be heated, it might take it a little bit longer to get there. So you got to be a little bit patient with the iPads when you're heating them and you're going to remove the glass. So just wanted to show you this video so you can get an idea what it takes as far as time to heat it up. And I'm not saying it's a bad machine. It is a very good machine. It just takes a little bit longer to heat, but it's a very good machine. Now, they have come out with a newer version to this one. I don't know if it actually heats up as, the same speed as this one, or if it does it faster. I don't know. That remains to be seen. But give us your comments in the description below what you think about both companies, both Forward and Nasan, as far as the company that you're using for refurbishing. And give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.